guys so much. I tried to do a Wednesday schedule for the videos versus the Saturday schedule, but I think I'm kind of feeling the Saturday schedule more. So if you guys prefer the Saturday schedule better, just let me know in the comment section below so that I can make a final decision on whether I'll be posting on Wednesdays or Saturdays, or just choose a completely different day. So I know some of y'all are looking at me like, ooh, her hair looks crazy, ooh, she looks crazy, everything looks crazy. But that is because I have senior prom coming up soon, so I'm kind of like hibernating, going through a little homeless stage so that I can pop out for prom. So I haven't done my eyebrows, I barely style my hair, it's like buns every day. I'm also looking like a bum diddy dum because I am going to be showing you guys how to make a homemade mask for your hair. We did the aloe and the honey mask for the face. If you haven't seen that video already, go check that one out. Now my hair has not been washed in a little over 2 weeks, so as you see, like, my curls are like not even curls at this point. There's like a bunch of like straight ends and stuff like that. But I have this beautiful mask that I do bi-weekly, which is every 2 weeks, to revive my hair. I also have like really itchy dry scalp, so as long as I've been doing this mask, I have not had an issue with my scalp being itchy or dry. So I do really recommend this specific mix-up for anybody who suffers from dry scalp, irritated scalp, split ends, what else? If you have any type of damage, and you'll see why later on when I explain what we're putting in and why we're putting it in. So let's get started. You'll need an old t-shirt. I have on this old t-shirt from 2011 from elementary school. Yes, y'all, elementary school. I was so tiny back then, it was like up to my knees. Now it fits me properly, so you can tell I'm still tiny. If you watch my video about the Bantu knots, you know that this is my favorite comb. This is the only comb I use to detangle my hair. It gives me the best results, the least amount of shedding, the best detangle. So I tell y'all, go out and get this comb. If your hair is hard to comb out, hard to detangle, this comb will save your life. So the first ingredient is mayo, and one of the best benefits of mayo is it promotes healthy hair growth. Olive oil is beneficial to hair because it restores and seals in moisture while strengthening and adding shine. It also contains vitamins A and E. Just a few of the benefits of Jamaican black castor oil are increased thickness, increased strength, growth, anti-breakage, anti-dandruff, and it helps get rid of dry and itchy scalp. Honey is a great cleanser. It reduces breakage, prevents damage, and is also useful in soothing your scalp. Eggs are a great source of protein for your hair. I read that oily hair takes whites better and dry hair takes yolks better, but the benefits are better combined. They also contain vitamins that help with thickness, volume, strength, softness, and help heal damage. When beating the mixture, you want to make sure that you mix it fully, like you don't leave a bunch of bumps and lumps, like incorporate everything together. In order to not make a mess, I use a funnel to transfer the mixture from the bowl into the applicator bottle. And that's how you make the mask. Now that we have our mask made, I'm going to show you guys how I apply it to my hair. I'm going to apply it in sections, so I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. I'm not going to try to make perfect parts. I'm just trying to more separate it to make sure that my hair gets saturated by the mask and it covers as much hair as possible. I'm going to detangle each section with the comb before putting in the mask. I always do this mask on dry hair. I want to remind you guys to remember to comb your hair from the ends and then work your way up to the root. That's very important because you pull out less hair that way. Now that that section is fully detangled, I'm just going to apply the mask at the roots of my hair first. Like I said before, my biggest issue is my dry scalp, so I always target my scalp first and the most. After I made sure I take care of my roots, I take care of my ends. I just squirt some of the mask onto the ends of my hair and then use my fingers to massage it in. Make sure you massage the mask into your scalp well. After I've taken care of the roots and the ends, I just squirt some on the middle section and then rub it in with my hands. Sometimes I run the comb through the section again while it has the mask in it, just to make sure that the mask gets distributed well through that piece of hair. And then I twist it up to keep it out the way as I move on to the next section. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this again on the front piece so that you guys can get a better view of what I'm doing. As you see, I can make sure I'm getting my roots. There's a different type of applicator bottle that has like a comb tip that you can squeeze it out, and I think that that would distribute it better. I don't know where to find one right now. I've seen it before, but when I find one, I think that's what I'm gonna start using. Another important benefit of Jamaican black castor oil is that it increases blood flow in your scalp, which in turn increases growth. As you can see here, like I said, I put the mask in the ends and massage it in, and then put some of the mask in the middle section of the hair and massage it in again. I recommend that you do this in a bathroom or over a towel because, like you see, I just dropped some on the floor, so it can get messy and drop other places other than your shirt. I'm just gonna finish up the rest of the sections and then show you guys what I do after I finish with all of the sections. If you didn't notice, I did not completely saturate each part of my hair with the mask because I want to make sure that I can get each section. Now that I've made sure that I had enough to cover each piece of hair, I'm going to unloose the twist and go back over it with what's left of the mask to get whatever parts are drier or whatever parts that I missed, as well as like the middle section where I didn't add as much as I added on my roots and my ends. After I make sure I've treated my hair thoroughly, I'm just going to wrap it up and clip it up with a butterfly clip to keep it out the way while I let it sit. I don't typically wipe off the excess with a towel. I kind of just push it back up into my hair because I don't want to waste any of it. Alright y'all, so I just finished putting in the mask throughout my hair, and now I usually just walk around, do homework, clean my room, exercise. Like, I do a bunch of things and just let it sit in there. I don't really time it, but I would say to leave it in no less than 30 minutes. If I feel it start to like get stiff or harden, that's perfectly fine, because once you add water to it again, it's gonna get back not hard. Yeah. What else? After you wash it out, if you don't take out like the white parts of the egg, you know those little, it looks like an umbilical cord or something in there, but if you don't take out that piece, it will be like mixed up in your hair, so don't forget to take that out. Sometimes I can use one bottle of this mixture, and sometimes I need 2 bottles or like a larger bottle. I have a larger bottle, but it's occupied right now. It depends on like the density and thickness of your hair. First, I'm gonna put the links to the information that I found in the description box so that you guys can see the benefit of different types of other household ingredients that you can make your own mask that fits your hair type and your needs for your hair. So I've been using it for maybe 3-4 months now, and I have seen major improvement in the thickness of my hair, in the moisture of my hair, and the curl pattern is coming back to how it used to be. I'm actually seeing a real result, so you have to stay on top of it. I choose to do it once every 2 weeks, but you can do it every week. I just fit it better into my schedule doing it once every 2 weeks, but I promise you that you will see results, especially if you use the Jamaican black castor oil. That oil works wonders, y'all. That's good for growth. It's really good for growth. My hair has grown significantly since I've started using it. You can use it on your face for your eyebrows to grow if you get it cut wrong. You can use it on your eyelashes to grow if you want to stop wearing them falsies. I like falsies, no shade, no tea. You could use it if you have like a skin condition going on. It helps with that too. It's like all those things, all the good properties of everything, all the beneficial properties of everything that I'm using and that I've used in this mask. I will put the links that I found the information at so that you guys can actually read up on what is so special about these ingredients. I'm gonna go wash it out in the next 30 minutes and then show you guys how it comes out after it's wet. So I just washed my hair out with Pantene shampoo and Pantene conditioner. So yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like afterwards, after the mask, without anything in it. Like, I didn't moisturize it. This is like it drying right now. I just came out of the shower not too long ago, and you can see the curls and like how shiny it is, and like I have nothing in it. Like, parts that are shiny are like some dry parts, like it's not just shiny because of like the water or being wet. Like, I love the way this mask makes my hair feel, and I really recommend that everybody try it. It gives such great results. Like, I don't even understand why somebody would not try it. Like, I'm giving y'all the secrets. Try it, please. Like I said, I've been doing this mask for maybe 3 to 4 months now, and I've really seen major improvement, and I really think that you guys will. We often find ourselves spending $30 on leave-in conditioners and store-bought hair masks when you can use the products right in your home and not break the bank to have healthy hair. So please, at least just give it a try once or twice. I mean, I know some people might not like the idea, like why would you put an egg in your hair, but it really does work, guys, so please try it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. Please send me pictures if you guys do it, and please let me know how it works on your hair as well. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to make videos for you guys. Please keep coming back. I love you guys lots. See you next time. Bye.